Today we're visiting Asia to learn about its flags and capitals. Ready for a fun journey? Let's go! This is the flag of Yemen. Can you spot the 3 horizontal stripes? Red, white, and black. Yemen's capital is Sana'a. Sana'a is one of the highest capital cities in the world. It's way up in the mountains. Look closely. How many colors do you see on the flag? Qatar's maroon and white flag with jagged edge. Ooh, this is Qatar's flag. Look at those zigzag edges. So cool. The capital of Qatar is Doha. Doha has one of the world's most futuristic skylines. Lots of tall, shiny buildings. Can you count the white triangles on the edge? This green flag belongs to Saudi Arabia. Capital of Saudi Arabia is Riyadh. Riyadh is full of palm trees and modern skyscrapers. And it's super sunny. Do you see the sword on the flag? This one's Syria's flag. Can you see the 3 red stars? The capital of Syria is Damascus. Damascus is one of the oldest cities in the world. It's been around for thousands of years. Now here's the flag of Taiwan. Look at that bright white sun in the corner. The capital of Taiwan is Taipei. Taipei has super tall towers and delicious night markets. How many rays does the sun have on the flag? Turkey's flag is gold and red with a white crescent moon and star. Its capital is Ankara. Ankara is known for its delicious dish called doner kebab. It's a popular treat all across Turkey. What shape is the moon on the flag? This colorful flag belongs to the United Arab Emirates, UAE for short. The capital is Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi is home to the famous Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. It's huge and beautiful. Can you name all 4 colors on the flag? Which country's flag has red, white, and black horizontal stripes? Yes, that's right. Yemen. Which country has a green flag with Arabic writing and a sword? Saudi Arabia. That's right. Which country's flag has a red background with a white crescent moon and a star? Correct. Turkey. Great job, explorers! You're amazing at remembering fun facts and flags. Want to learn about even more countries? Then keep watching and don't forget to subscribe.